Making money online has become a viable option for many people. From freelance writing to remote consulting, the opportunities are endless. But what if you could earn a handsome income simply by reading books? In 2023, there's a unique opportunity for book enthusiasts and those looking to earn extra cash. A website that pays $100 per hour for reading Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, books. In this video, we'll delve into the details of this intriguing online money-making endeavor. The rise of Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP has revolutionized the publishing industry. It allows authors to publish their books directly to Amazon's Kindle platform, reaching millions of readers worldwide without the need for a traditional publisher. This democratization of publishing has resulted in an explosion of content across all genres, from romance to science fiction and non-fiction to fantasy. The need for book reviewers. With an ever-increasing number of books being self-published on Amazon KDP, there's a growing need for reviews to help potential readers discover quality content. Reviews can make or break a book's success, and many self-published authors struggle to garner enough reviews to gain visibility in Amazon's crowded marketplace. Enter the website offering $100 per hour. To bridge this gap and help authors get the feedback they need, a unique website has emerged in 2023. This website connects avid readers with self-published authors on Amazon KDP, offering reviewers $100 per hour for their time. How it works. Registration. To get started, you need to register on the website as a book reviewer. This typically involves providing some basic personal information and your reading preferences. Selection. Authors on Amazon KDP looking for reviews will post their books on the website. Reviewers can then browse through the available titles and select the ones they find interesting. Reading and reviewing. Once you've chosen a book to review, you'll be given a certain time frame to read it. This is usually a few days to a week. After finishing the book, you're required to write a detailed, honest review on the website. Payment. Reviewers receive their compensation, which is typically $100 per hour, based on the time they spend reading and reviewing the book. Payments are usually made via PayPal or a similar online payment platform. Benefits of being a reviewer. Earn money. The most obvious benefit is the opportunity to earn a significant income just by reading and providing your opinions on books you enjoy. Flexibility. This gig offers great flexibility. You can choose which books to review and when to do so, making it an ideal side hustle for those with busy schedules. Discover new books. You'll have the chance to discover new and exciting books across various genres. Help authors. Your reviews can genuinely impact an author's career, helping them gain visibility and credibility in the competitive world of self-publishing. Considerations and tips. Honesty is key. Maintaining the integrity of your reviews is crucial. Authors and readers rely on your honest feedback to make informed decisions. Time management. While $100 per hour sounds enticing, remember that you'll need to invest time in reading and writing thoughtful reviews. Quality over quantity. Focus on delivering high-quality reviews rather than rushing through books to maximize earnings.